Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're working on this Toyota, you will find out that this clip right here is very easy to break. So today let me show you how to remove this and replace it with a new one. You can get this on Amazon for about maybe 10 bucks. So all you need to do is the white plastic part in there, you just pry it out. And slowly pry it out with the flathead. First thing out. There you go. Get it out. And on this tab right here, there's a little tab at the bottom. All you need to do is just poke it, and it should release it. Tap it, it should come out. Just take your time. Eventually releasing it. I got two of them released, but the third one and the fourth one is so hard to do. I got one more. Okay. So now all of them released. So make sure you have the white one already installed in here. So you want to set up exactly the same, right? So you don't want to get in the wrong place. So you hold all of them the same, and now you just put them in to each slot, and trying to push it in. When you hear the clicking sound, then you know they're in. You hear they go click click click, and you know they're in. I hear 4 click, so that's mean they're in. That mean they're good. And that's it. That's how you replace it. And now you plug it back in, and you hear the snapping sound. So nice and new, nice and perfect. You can see everything nice and tucked in. And let me show you on the tab in here so you can see. Since you're gonna replace this, so you don't have to worry about it, but at the end of the tab you can see there's a little, let me see, let me show you right here, little on the area, see a little knock right here, see that little tab right there, see, for each of them having one, all you do is just push them down, you push them down so it release it, push them down to release it, push them down to release it, see a little tap. So you push them down to release it, and that's it. So just that's how you replace one of the plug. And like this thing's the Toyota one right now, that one we have. It's very easy to break when you're trying to remove it. So there you go. So that's it for this video, and like I said, it's a short video. I just want to show you how to do it. Let me see, for I think for $8, I bought it for $8 on Amazon, and it come with as you can see, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 tab, and plus all the little knob in there, little accessory. So you got 8 complete set. So I recommend you buy this type. Don't buy the one would come with the wire that's already pre-installed. So don't buy those things, because you have to take it out, and when you take it out, when you take the wire out from this that already pre-installed, you might damage the plug itself. So don't try to do that. So buy the one that's empty like this, no wire. So that will give you less headache, so you don't have to do double tasks, taking the wire out from the new one and then taking the wire out from the old one to plug it in. So buy the one without this. And I'll go ahead and leave a link for this on Amazon. So if you wanna get one, you just go ahead and click on that link, and you should get that should get you to Amazon or where I buy this set at. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find it useful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.